guys, it's Crystal, and today's blog post is the most asked question I got out of my entire 18-week journey, and a lot of you have been so patient in waiting for this post. It is, can you please share your meal plans, or what did you eat? What does your diet consist of? So I wrote a very detailed blog post about this, outlining the different foods that I ate and how my diet changed throughout the 18 weeks. So I just want you to keep in mind that this was designed for me by my coach Graham, specifically for my body, specifically how my body was reacting to it. And it was very specific to get me show ready for the Sandra Wickham Fall Classic 2014. So I needed to, look a certain way, develop certain things, and be show ready. So that's what this meal plan, that's what this diet was for. But in terms of the meals itself, yes, there are parts of the meals that I'm definitely still continuing with. It's something that has become a lifestyle. Although I used it just to get show ready, it's something that I can definitely continue to maintain in my life. Maybe not the last 6 to 8 weeks of the training, but definitely the first 2 months of the meal plans are completely sustainable. They're great, they're healthy, they're nutritious. I'll say a few things about the meal plans. One thing that I learned was, first of all, eat breakfast. I never used to eat breakfast before, and now that I'm into the habit of it, it's something that I'm never going to skip again. Second thing is eat before you sleep. That's another thing I never did because I thought that was bad. So that's something that I'll also enjoy doing and never skip. And another big thing that I learned from this whole meal plan is to make sure that my meals are more protein heavy than vegetables, and then maybe a tiny little bit of carbs. So just making sure that my plate is filled with good proteins, good lean protein, good vegetables, a little bit of carbs. Whereas before, my meals were always carbs, some vegetables, and maybe a sprinkle of protein. So I hope that it helps you, but just keep in mind that, everybody is different. My body responded differently. Your body might respond differently to this program as well. So I hope you enjoy it, and thank you so much for, following along and asking me all these questions. So I have some fun blogs to film and to write. So stay tuned, and we will talk to you next time. Bye.